What's up, ladies and gentlemen? YouTube Standard TV here. Look at this. This is the Homall chair that I ordered, the racing chair, and it was donated to me, or we got. I was able to get it because of donations that everybody had made. You guys had made, so that's awesome. We're gonna open it together, guys. Are you ready for that? Let's do this. Well, I should probably get a knife. Yeah, I don't have a knife handy, so hold on a second. Alright. Okay, here we go. Chopsticks. Don't want to cut the chair. Can we just, yeah. I think it's protected by the next layer of cardboard here. So that's good. That's really good. Cutting and cameraing is probably not a good idea, but you could don't try that at home. Alright, I'll probably put the knife away for a moment. There we go. Check out this. Oh, here we go. What's that? That's the arms right there, guys. Ooh. Bubble wrapper. So this is the armrest here. Gotta tape everything. Look at that. Alright. There we go, guys. Look at that. Very comfortable leather here. Yeah, very pillowy. I hope it stays pillowy. I don't. As I lean on it and stuff. Alright. There's the other arm. And of course. Well, I don't know. Look at that. Awesome. That's the other arm. This is the actual back. I'm probably not going to film myself putting this together. I'll probably just put it together and be like, ta-da! And do my thank yous that way. Because I got a feeling I'm going to need both my hands. And I do not have a Gorilla Pod. Wish I did. Well, maybe that's something I can get next. A Gorilla Pod or something. Look at that. The actual back of the chair. Nice. That's going to be where the lumbar is right here. Yeah, nice and sturdy. Feels good. Is that netted? Yeah. Mesh, yeah. Cool. I really like the design of that chair. I'm glad it's not as blue as it looks on Amazon. This, of course, it's the Homall racing chair. Looked a lot brighter blue on Amazon, and I'm actually glad it's not. This is the cheapest one. Of course, if you go red or some of their other colors that they have available, it's more expensive. And thankfully. So thankfully this blue is not as I mean, it's still Smurfy looking, but it's nowhere near the craziness it looked like on the Amazon website. So that's cool. Let's set this down for a second. There we go, the actual seats. Blue and white and some black. Very race car-y. Or, yeah, it could be a race boat, right? It doesn't have to be a race car. Alright. And here's the stand for the seats. Pretty weighty. Not too weighty, but pretty weighty. There you go. This is the hydraulic, or the lever for the hydraulic anyway. So put that there. You don't have to take that out the box. I'd say this is actually the hydraulic instructions. Right here. And that's exactly what we have. So I'm going to pick up this video in a bit, guys. So I was getting ready to put this chair together. As you see, it's still in pieces. But you know what you don't see? The instructions. They didn't send any instructions. So wish me luck. And there we go, guys. One smooth chair. Actually, believe it or not, without the instructions, I got it together pretty good. It sat in it. It's a lot more comfortable. So yeah, we'll look at that real quick. I am actually sitting in the chair. It said it's a lot more comfortable. It feels good. A lot better. Let me show you the chair that I was using. Hold on just a second. Next to the collapsed screen in there. That's the chair I was sitting in. And as you can see, this chair, it had it. It's not very comfortable at all. The support, the hydraulic had actually give out, and the back, it was already worn out. So yeah. Anyway, guys, as you can see, the chair sits really good. You can see my Superman chest. This means longer Twitch streams, right? You bet. That other chair, of course, didn't feel good at all. One thing is that you will be seeing the chair in the videos now, because obviously the back is just higher, and I'm okay with that. It doesn't look bad. Blue on blue, it is what it is. I can't thank you guys enough, though, those that have supported the channel, that made my donation goals over the past couple of years happen. Appreciate it a whole lot. Speaking of which, let's shout those guys out, right? First of all, thank all of the patrons. Leisure the Great, Own Dizzle, Tilgar Pole, You Like Dags, and Leisure the Great. Thank you guys so much. Also, thank you the donators who made this happen. Tech Gladiator, SSJ Vegeta 2, Robert Centellin, check that guy out on YouTube. Own Dizzle, Kix89, SSJ Vegeta, I've already said him, okay. Tomorrow Snow, Torva Messor, and Shorby TV. Thank you guys so much, man. That's awesome. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm so comfortable right now. It's been a long time since we've sat at this desk in comfort. And if you want to help support the stream, or the YouTube channel or whatever, you can do that by going over to patreon.com/StendoTV for as little as $1 a month. Or if you don't want to roll in donate, you can go over there and just drop a one-time if you want to. Appreciate it, guys. That's it for this vlog this week. It's just the unboxing of the chair and thanking those guys that made that happen. Review of the chair. I like it. We'll have to see how long it holds up. It seems like it's going to hold up for a long time. It's a lot more durable, a lot more sturdier than the chair I had. So we'll see. Follow me over at Twitter, guys, over at Twitch, and over at Facebook. So those links will be down in the description below if you need them. Anyway, guys, don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe on this video. Remember that I love your face. Thank you very much. We'll catch you next time. Have a good one.